Alright, welcome to the first update video. As promised, every day I would be delivering a new update after uploading the official first announcement video. So today is that first update. And I'm going to be showcasing the left arm. And real quick, I don't know if you can tell, but I just have to get this out for the record for my own excitement. I'm a diehard Dodgers fan, and as of recording this, we have just gone back-to-back with the World Series. So, anyway, back on topic. So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the left arm that I've been able to build, and I'll come closer. Obviously, it's poorly assembled right now with duct tape, so it's not very durable at all. So I can't really move my arm a lot. I kind of have to hold it together. But I can showcase a couple little details about this that I really like so far. First of all, it's a lot more slick compared to this bulky piece of junk that stands here behind me. So that's obviously making it a lot better already. So it's a lot more flexible as well. So again, obviously ignore some of the flimsiness because it's just duct tape right now. But it's so nice because with this suit, I can already rotate my arms so much better than I can my previous one. Like, I can rotate it more than 90 degrees. Like I can regularly touch my head. You know, I can't touch my shoulders, but I don't know why I would need to touch my shoulders. So no big deal. But regardless, this is already turning out phenomenal. I don't know if you can tell, but obviously I don't have my fingers done yet, obviously. So that's gonna be something I'll probably work on at the last minute because those are really high priority items. As long as I get the bigger joints all done, then that's more key right now. Also, I have a couple of other things I can show you real quick. I got a print going right here that I'll show you, and then I also have my other printer right here that I will explain momentarily. So let me go ahead and show you those. Okay, so there's my printer. There's the first suit. He's just kind of taking in the World Series victory, and then got the flag. Got my other stuff over here, backpack, other things. As you can tell, I've duct taped everything because that right there. There's the left arm just hanging out right there. But here's the print, more importantly, right here. And right now I am printing the leg pieces. And so I'm having to cut it up into multiple different parts. So this is the middle piece for the left thigh. So once this is done, I'll print the other parts for that thigh and then weld them together and test that out and then go from there. So a funny story about that printer right there, that was actually a friend of mine's that he gave to me because he was done with it. He built a Dr. Doom armor, which is really cool. So he's done with it and decided to give it to me. So now I have that one. However, this is my previous printer, my Longer 5K Pro, which is, if you can't tell, is not in printing condition right now. So over this upcoming weekend, I'm planning to fix it up and make it work again to where I can start printing more parts on this. I'm probably going to use this printer to print more smaller scale parts like the fingers and maybe other smaller pieces that I need to finish for the right arm. So I got some more parts going in there, and there's some other spare parts for other little projects I'm building Iron Man related. However, I'm going to use the Bamboo to print all the larger scale parts, mostly because it's just faster and more reliable than the Longer 5K. But I mean, it's still a great printer, but it is significantly outdated compared to Bamboo and other brands like Elegoo. So that's about it for today's update, and I will see you tomorrow.